Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining my presentation. Before my presentation, I have a question for you. Did you play some game from the TV or computer? Great.
What?
Did you play some game from the computer or TV?
Yeah,
How do you feel?
great.
Okay. Today my topic is how to create the video games. Today in the world, the technological is advances like the TV and the computer. So at the same time, to raise to a lot of games for here. And after when I finished my my presentation, I will try to answer all of your questions. I took this topic. I would like to use the example from the 3DO, the company. This company to help the net to make some games, so they have a lot of experience. The first step, they need the ideas. They have a lot of ways to get ideas, like from the employer or out of the company, the person. They can ask and or get the circle to the exciting games or from the movie and TV shows like this. If they get the ideas and they have the pre-production teams to make to accept to begin develop the idea into the fully realize the game. The second, they planning the game. There have a lot of people need to work, like the director, designer, software engineers, or programmers and artists, writers. They all are team. First, they make the storyline for the games. This like write the outline for a novel. Make an outline for the novel. Then they use the storyboard to in addition to the storyboarding the game, they also make the game some map and the word. And we already know what is storyboard. I have some picture show the storyboard like this. Write down the picture and write down some like the timeline to show you what times the game how to play. Like this. And the next step is the developing the games. The production team need to include additional artists, programmers, and the designers. For example, the programmers need to write custom code in use the C programming languages in the computer, make the provide the framework for the game object. Then is the fishing tutorials after they finished the game. They need to make the game the development to better and find some bug to fix it. When the game finished, they give some people to test and give the get the level, how many years can you play this game. And the last one is disrupting the games. When the game finished, they should show it so they get some ads from the TV and the newspaper to to tell the people this game get ready, coming soon. So if this game is popular, they can make some product for the game, like the toys, something, make the company can get more money for this game. In conclusion, I say how to create the game is 5 steps. First is get the ideas. The next is planning the game, developing the game, and fishing cultures, and distracting the games. They can help us to better understand how to make the video games and improve your knowledge. Now have some question for me.
Any questions? Was anybody listening, or you playing your phones? Where did you find information for this presentation?
So you give me that website?
Oh, you found it on that website?
Yeah.
Great. It's just what we listened to in the class, yeah? Along the same lines.
Yeah.
Very good. Good choice. All right.